Good day. So, I will be discussing the impartiality. So, what is impartiality? Impartiality means being fair and unbiased when making decisions. In simple terms, dili ta magpabor-pabor or dili ta mag-base sa ato ang personal feelings. We all know that sometimes mas dali ta motuo sa ato ang friends, family, or sa mga close nato. But if we want to be fair, we need to set aside those feelings and look at the situation clearly. Example, imagine you are a class leader or class mayor and two of your classmates had a conflict. One of them is your friends, your close friends, your best friend, and the other one is dili jud siya kayo close sa imo or dili jud mo siya close. If you only believe your friends without listening to the other side, that is being biased. But if paminawon nimo ang both sides and decide based on facts, that is impartiality. So the main point is impartiality helps us become fair and just, especially when we are the ones making decisions. Proceed ta sa 7 steps of moral reasoning ni Scott Race. So it is very important because this is like a guide on how we make good decision. Sometimes man good mag-decide ta dayon without thinking. Mao ni nga steps para dili ta magdali-dali og decide or dili ta mag-decide basta-basta. First here is gather the facts. You need to know what really happened. Dili ta mag-assume dayon. Example, if someone is accused of cheating, i-check sa nato if tinuod ba jud. The second is determine the ethical issue. Ask yourself, what is the real problem? Is it cheating, lying, or disrespect? So klaruhon nato unsa gyud ang issue. The third one is identify values or principles. These are things like honesty, respect, and fairness. For example, if it's cheating, then the value involved is honesty. So diri mag-base ta sa sakto dili sa kung unsa atong gusto. The fourth one is list alternatives. Think of all your choices. Dili lang isa ka option. Example, cheat, don't cheat, or ask help. The fifth one is compare alternatives. Which choice follows your values? Syempre, studying is better than cheating because it is honest. Sixth is consider consequences. Think about what will happen after your decision. If you cheat, you might get caught or feel guilty. If you don't, you may fail but you learn honestly. So, tan-awon nato ang epekto sa atong actions. And the last one is make a decision. After thinking, you choose the right thing to do, even if lisod. So, example ane is, if you didn't review for an exam, tempted ka mo cheat. Pero if you follow the steps, you will realize that cheating is wrong and you will choose not to do it. So, overall ani is kanang ani nga steps kay it really helps us become responsible and thoughtful. Dili lang padala sa pressure or emotions. Okay, now this is about the checking if our values are real. Kay usahay moingon ta I value respect or I value kindness pero dili na ito ginabuhat. First, is, did I choose freely? Meaning, wala ka napugos. Gusto gyud nimo buhaton. Second is, did I choose from alternatives? You had other options but you chose the good one. Example, pwede ka mangupya pero wala nimo gibuhat. The third one is, did I think about consequences? You thought about what might happen. So, responsible ka sa imuhang decision. Fourth, am I proud of my choice? If proud ka, then sakto imong gibuhat. If maulaw ka, maybe sayo pang imong gibuhat. Fifth is, am I willing to say it publicly? Kaya ba nimo isulti sa class or sa teacher? If yes, then it means confident ka sa imuhang action. Sixth is, do I act on it? Importante ni dili lang words but action jud. Example, dili lang I respect others, but you actually show respect. The seventh one or the last one is, do I do it consistently? Dili lang once but always. If buutan ka only sometimes, then weak pa ang imuhang value. But if always, then strong yun. Example ani is, if you say you value kindness, pero manglibak ka or rude ka usahay, then dili pa na true value. But if you are kind most of the time, then that is real. So the main idea is, your values are shown by your actions, not just your words. Thank you.
Moral problems requires creative and responsible response when making decision. A person should consider all perspective, think beyond rigid rules, and be open to dialogue with the community and culture. Rules should also be applied wisely depending on the situation to ensure the best moral outcome. So, ang moral problems daw kay required of creative and responsible response if maghimo kag decision. Dapat po daw i-consider nimo ang perspective sa mga nakapalibot sa mga or sa mga tao nga involved ana nga decision making. Need po daw nga open dialogue or makigistorya ka sa mga tao or sa community nga involved ana nga decision. Nya ang rules dapat gamiton wisely depende sa sitwasyon para makuha ang pinaka-the best na result or outcome. Morality requires reason, which means using logical thinking when making judgments. It also requires impartiality or fairness, so that decisions are not biased or influenced by personal interests. In addition, morality involves careful decision-making and consistent action that reflects one's values. So, need jud kayo ang logical thinking sa paghimo og judgment or decision. Dapat pod fair. Dili siya bias or dili magpadala sa emotion or personal interest. So, mao na siya, need siya og logical thinking. So, dapat unahunahon jud nimo imong decision nya fairness. Dapat dili ka bias, patas ka sa tanan. Dapat responsible ka sa desisyon nga imong himuon. At the same time, need pod nimo i-consider ang perspective sa mga nakapalibot sa imo or sa mga tao nga involved ana nga decision making para ang result is mahimong fair or patas para sa tanan. That's all po, sir. Thank you.